How come my shit just can't rumble like that? My shit misses.
All right, y'all, we got this dent. It kind of caves in pretty good, and there's nothing to really push on. So we're gonna take this basketball and inflate it and see if it pops the dent out. Shove it up in there, bro. Loop this up. You gotta put the air thing on first, huh?
Put the air thing on first.
There you go. Yeah, come more to me. Yeah, there you go. Go a little higher if you can. There you go. Air it up. See what happens. Oh, there we go. Keep coming. It's popping. It's making the camera. Oh, look at that. It's getting it right here. Too much right here. Need to come back a little bit. That's the best thing about using a tire gauge. You can deflate it while it's in there. Popping dents.
Go off the truck a little bit.
You want to go up? Yeah. Hold up. Highly recommend getting one of these too. Is that good? All right. Yeah, I have to work this differently. But this up here, I couldn't get to this up here or this corner right here. So see if we can pop that lower one out. Keep going. Keep going. Oh man, it's working. It's working. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. It's almost flat. Keep going. There you go. Too much. Perfect. Because it's gonna sink back a little bit. Man, look, if we can get right here. That's the hardest part I couldn't get is this big dent. I don't know if you can stick your hand up high enough for it to get in there.
You think I'm short?
Right. And short people need love too, Craig.
Mm-hmm. Just let it deflate a little bit.
Got it all up in there. Yep. Toom. It's easier to beat it back. It's hard to get it out. Now we gotta let the truck down a little bit.
You gotta let the air out the ball. One day.
No, not today. We're just getting a freaking giant gash out of it today. Give me that thing. Watch. I'm a fat boy. Look, just put a knee on it. Look. It's screaming. Help! Help! Go higher than that first.
Well, right here is where this body line is.
Yeah.
That's where I need it to pop up.
All right.
This is gonna pop the rest of it out.
Just right here, I got a crease way up here, and I couldn't work it.
Oh, you gonna work it? Make this up.
I like the way you work it. Yeah, put that on first, huh?
Put this on first. Then take E. That's it.
I mean, I'm a horrible camera dude.
Where are we going? Right here?
Back right here.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. There it goes. It's coming out. Ooh. Keep coming. Keep coming. Man, we're doing a wide body on this thing.
Sure.
Dude, that looks way better than when we started. Oh yeah. That popped it out nice. Might need to go a little bit higher. There's a little crease right here. I don't know if you can get your arm up that high.
How much higher can you go with the truck?
I can go another 1.5 feet. You want to try to stand up under it? All right.
I want to get this out.
Man, that's right behind this piece of metal right here too. Maybe better off just drilling a hole in it using a slide hammer to get that out and welding it back. But yeah, if you could push the ball on the top side of that metal, I hear what you're saying.
I think if I can get it right on that corner and get it to pop loose.
Yep, definitely. Like there's metal that goes from here around for the fender. You need to get yours like right here. You can see the crease on the phone real good right here.
That's the needle key.
Oh, there it goes. Boom. What's crazy on the phone is this dent here looks way worse than it does in real life. Keep going. There you go. That's good. I hear the pinch ball's cracking.
There's nothing wrong.
Now if we can just do the same thing, but right here.
Give me a minute, I'll get it up.
You're going to pull up a work and dudes and be like, man, you got another new truck?
Nope, ran out of spray paint this time.
Exactly. You get way up in there, bro. Trying to get up to, but do I need to stick my arm up in there? A little extra length. That might. I think you're a hair low. Yeah, I think it's like right here. It needs to be right up here. Oh yeah, no, there's always room to learn.
If anybody would have told me I was going to be taking dents out of the basketball,
Little bit. I got ideas.
I'm with you on that.
And if somebody else done did this on YouTube already, I ain't seen them. This is it. Look, I thought it was like, bro, we shove a basketball in it. Yeah, I got this till you get under there.
Yeah.
We can go all the way up to about right here.
We're going to try. We just got to get it to slide in the panel.
Yep. Man, look, he's deep.
That's as high as this guy goes.
See, can we see? Can we see?
Oh, I saw it pop.
Look, it's coming out. It's almost pregnant. It's right here though. If we can get it,
as high as I can get it.
we can't. Is the thing for the ladder rack deal like right here or something?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, that's what it is. Hey, look, that's way better than it was. At least it's got the same contour of the truck and it's not concaved in. Yeah. Now we'll be able to work that. That's a whole lot better.
The ball come out. The ball's
Yep.
still in there. Deflating. It's still putting pressure on it.
Now that's good, man.
Yeah, that was.
It's better than drilling 1,000 holes and slide hammering and going to have to go back and
Trying for the minimum amount of bondo.
right. Yeah, it's body skimmer, not body panel maker. We got the truck down on the ground. Man, it's way flatter than it was. It was all kind of concave. I just got one dent, but that's body filler dent. That ain't got to be perfect sheet metal. Trying to straighten up the shop, but it looks just about as good as the rest of the truck. It's got the right shape. That's the first part. We'll go ahead and throw a little body work on it in a couple weeks. See if we can get this thing ready for cruising the coast. Maybe throw some pipes on it. Wanna throw some pipes on it, bro? Throw some pipes on it, bro.
Like and subscribe.
Catch y'all next week.